Tell me honestly, your summer essentials right now, are they actually helping you or are they like that one guy? Looks good in the beginning and then suddenly not supportive, not consistent, just adding stress. Because I have been there, trusting things that clearly weren't working and still trying to make it work. And as an actor and model, I've shot in proper heat, like sun in your face, humidity, long hours, everything melting type of situation. So I had to figure this out. So this is what I actually carry now, my summer survival kit. Things that stay, protect me, and don't disappear when things get intense. First, cap or hat. I cannot explain this enough. This is not fashion, this is emotional support. Your scalp is burning, your hair is getting damaged, and your face is heating up. And this just fixes so much. Also, bad hair day. We are not over explaining ourselves to anyone. Cap on, peace. Girl reminder, we don't chase perfection in summer, we manage the situation. Then scarf. This one I ignored for so long, and honestly, that was my mistake. I use it to cover my hair, my neck, sometimes even my face if the sun is too much. Because tanning happens so fast, I'm reversing it way more effort than prevention. It's basically boundaries covered, protected, not available for unnecessary damage. Also, umbrella. I know it sounds dramatic. I used to think the same, but walking in direct sun versus walking with your own shade, completely different life. And honestly, carrying an umbrella in the sun is giving main character energy. Like, I brought my own protection. I don't depend on the environment anymore. Sunglasses, non negotiable. Yes, they protect your eyes, reduce strain, but also, let's be honest, they hide everything. Dark circles, gone. No makeup, still looks intentional. Girl reminder. Sometimes looking put together is just strategy, not effort. Now, sunscreen. If you're still skipping this, I'm judging you a little. That's like seeing red flags and still going back. Face sunscreen, lightweight, something you'll actually reapply, and lip sunscreen too. Very, very underrated. Your lips tan, and once they do, fixing it is definitely not fun. So now we protect everything we've learned. Water. I know it sounds basic, but are you actually drinking enough? Because your skin will expose you immediately. Oiliness, dullness, breakouts, everything. And I also keep dry fruits with me because summer drains your energy so fast. And instead of eating random nonsense when you're tired, this just keeps you stable. And honestly, we're choosing stable things now in life, in food, and in everything. Makeup, minimal. Please, this is not the season to experiment with heavy commitment. I carry concealer, compact, and a lip product. That's it. Because your makeup should stay, not disappear halfway through the day like you already know who. Less stress, less emotional damage. Tissue or blotting paper, very underrated because sweating is not optional, it's but looking like you've been through something is. I just press it gently, don't rub. We're not reacting aggressively anymore. We're handling things calmly. Hair tie or clip. Always keep one because at some point you will give up. And instead of suffering, just tie your hair and move on. Girl reminder. Sometimes the solution is simple, it's just overthinking. Face mist or compact for those moments when everything feels a little off, just a quick reset. Not overdoing it, not layering more, just fixing what's already there. That's called growth. And lip balm or tint, always. Dry lips in summer, a big no. Something hydrating, slightly tinted, and suddenly you look put together again. Minimum effort, maximum impact. We like efficient energy. And listen, summer is not about perfection. You are going to sweat. Things are going to move. Your hair is going to act up, and that's absolutely normal. We're not trying to control anything anymore. We're just trying to handle it better. Better choices, better systems, better essentials. So, yeah, these are mine, the things that actually help me survive heat, long days, and chaos. Tell me what you always carry. I feel like everyone has that one thing they can't live without. And if you want my full summer makeup routine, I'll do that next. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much once again.